TPEG Editor. The TPEG Editor is a tool for simple creation and editing of standardized TPEG files. Users can create their own TPEG data within the specified structure. The first step involves creating a service as a container for the carrier service identifier, description, service name, and other values. A service logo can also optionally be included. Service components can be added to the service by selecting from the various available TPEG applications. The originator service identifier and content identifier must be added, as well as several optional values. Then the messages for the service components can be added. An empty tree containing the data structure appears in the center of the user interface, ready to receive your data. Another option to edit data with TPEG Editor is opening XML or binary TPEG files. Edit messages. If the file is valid, then the TPEG Editor will present the TPEG data in an editable form. The TPEG Editor validates that TPEG files are valid, marking any invalid values in red. The user can edit any values defined in the teaser TPEG specifications. Editors exist for each type of value, as well as for TPEG tables with values and their text representations. TMC, OLR, and GLR location referencing information, whether part of the data itself or created, can also be displayed on the map. TPEG Editor supports TMC location code lists when creating TMC location referencing. Storing TPEG ML files. Once the created data is confirmed as valid, it can be saved as a TPEG ML file. Upload messages into TPEG On Air. The generated TPEG messages can be sent to TPEG On Air, BMT's playout system. After entry of the relevant message pool ID, the messages can be uploaded into individual service components. TPEG Editor is the tool for creating and modifying TPEG files. TPEG Editor Key Facts. Creation of TPEG messages with graphical user interface. Support for the creation of TMC locations and map-based display. Import of TPEG binary and TPEG ML files. Indication of missing or invalid parameters to ensure valid TPEG ML output. Helpful tools for entering complex data. Direct entry of codes or their corresponding text representation. Support of all currently specified TPEG applications. Creation and modification of service and network information SNI. 100% teaser TPEG 2 compliant. We can TPEG.com